So my people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. I am here to just do a quick reaction to the post from COS that many people are trying to downplay. You see, COS shared confirmation note from her application to be in Trump's inauguration ceremony, or some people say swearing in ceremony. So this our brother Marvelous Arenze made a post about it, and in that post, I told us last time that Arenze seemed to have a lot of Ogenkere member in his Twitter, so they are following him baba to baba there. When you check the comment, it's like me, I was laughing. I don't know if some of you have checked, but anyway. So this our brother said to Elias, the current Ogenkere lobby, who signed to be Biafran lobby, and he deviated from that to become Ogenkere personal lobby. And Arise said, Elias, you meet and greet. You know what that means? Meet and greet. Meet, do handshake, and let's take photo. Thinking that you are in this 21st century, that you're going to use that to deceive some people that actually understand how the game is being played. He said, this was meant to be the job you are being paid for, but you were busy chasing shadow just because Simon Ekpa is absent. Thank God for our visionary cabinet members who did not let your direction slow us. Okay? Slow us down. Akbarawa and his headmaster, Nkere, together with their supporters, are not asking for receipt to our invitation. The United States of Biafran government has been confirmed to be at Donald Trump's JD Vacance inauguration ceremony on January 20th, 2025. This is a big win to the United States of Biafra, to United States of Biafra government. We will know those who are truly happy for the success of Biafra. God bless the United States of Biafra. God bless the United States of America. This is the post from Areza. And some of them begin to murmur on his comment section. So I have to go through some of the comments and tell you one thing in it. Even somebody confirmed it also in the comment as well. But one thing you need to understand is that some people actually believe that Ogege is getting it right, isn't it? So if they actually believe that, why is it that they don't bother to ask Ogege some questions about why and what brought this division and argument and problem that we are having at the moment? Does it mean they enjoy that? I mean, they expect people to just fold hands, or they just love it when Biafran are being divided. I'm not surprised if that is what they actually meant, because 80 to 90% of those that are supporting Ogenkere today, well-known people. I'm not talking about those that are not, they don't care, or maybe people don't notice them much because they're not piloting anything. But you see, those ones that seems to be, big fish, they are well-known people. When in terms of this struggle, they are supporting Ogenkere, but if you check the record, they have already, or they have at one point, rise against PM. Is this not a kind of reunion of people that are for PM in the past? Or is it another way of creating a different type of cabal, pretending that you are on point? I don't understand. But let's go through the comments, then we can now have something to say. This one called Queen Beauty said, anybody can sign up to go to an event, just the way I signed up for all Ray Donald Trump's campaign event. Your madam signed up by herself. Nobody invited her. Bingo. Bring your proof to prove everyone wrong. They play. Then Marvelous I tell him, okay, please go and sign up. Then he shared, a sign up invitation, a kind of that she have signed up herself. She have signed up with the link. And this is she just shared it and tagged it Umokoko. Okay. Now another person said, "Are you really that daft, or is this man ignorant? Is this mere ignorant on your part, or perhaps you have been bought over with money and position? Here is the link your madam used to RSVP, that is to sign up the invitation, the application for this event. She was not specially invited as you all have been made to believe. Follow the link." Then Areze quickly replied her and said, reply him, because this one is a man. "This one hack my account," which is what they're known for. I love the way Areze just reminded him that I know that you guys are good in hacking. Then our sister Chidemma said this: "Otalemo is waiting every Sabbath. God on our side. USB to the world." Then this Ihechi, the one that normally use Deborah's picture, said this: "So your madam, so you Areze, talking to Areze, you just attacked Areze. Haven't you signed up yet to get your own RSVP?" Kind of laughing. "Oh yeah, hurry up. There's still space for you all, for all you minors, of Madam illegality to attend Trump's inauguration." They keep on trying to repeat themselves in a different way, trying to mock. But the comment that made me to, to actually respond to this or to react on this is this comment. Okay, he said that not signing up is the problem. People forgot that signing up to an event does not mean you get the entrance permit ID. I know that Elias would have helped Ogenkere to sign up, but his application was denied because if he had gotten an approval, he would have used it to score points and seek validation from Biafra. The only thing that will make the whole thing sour, like if she has shared this like she has done and did not attend, it simply means that she messed up. Because ordinarily you don't need to share it when you are not gotten the ID to be at the inauguration. But guess what? Ogenkere, like what this our brother or sister, this person said here, that if Ogenkere have gotten the permission, will give online, they will use it and brag like never before. Nobody is bragging about CS signing up and gotten the validation and everything. We are yet to know if she got the permission. But for her to share it simply means that the permission has been guaranteed. Maybe the permission is already with her. Because I agree that signing up this kind of invitation is normal. Anybody can sign up. But what follows after you signed up? Because they're trying to downplay it. Oh, we can sign it up. Yes, you can. But will you be able to secure the entrance ID? Because even Taliban may decide to sign up from their base, right? And to send their own people to go there and to Ogbeniwe. But what matters is the entrance card. Entrance card is more important than it. So people that the application will be available to everybody. You apply, but for you to generate or to be granted permission is a story for another day. Do you understand it? Because that is where the reality check will come. Who are you? What are you known for? Let us check your criminal record. Who are you? Like, what have you achieved and your position in the society? These are things people need to understand. And okay, don't joke with this kind of event. So don't tell me that he forgot to. He must have done his best. If maybe he already secured his own. You never can tell. Maybe it won't land. It's okay. since it's available, go and sign up and let us double our work to secure our own card so that it will be there too. Because even Ngozi goes there, it simply means that everything we are doing is we are finished. For Vam to bring it in, in his egg ritual, because he commented that this thing. In fact, in his video because someone shared that video to me to tell me that he called me out and all that. While watching that video, I overheard him making comment about the invitation, this invitation that the Marvelous Arrays shared here. And when I have not seen the invitation before then, so after making the video that I made, I have to do my best to see if I can lay hand on the invitation. And on the course of that, Arinze is here reacting on that, and they are trying to throw him off balance. But thank God that people who understand how it works are available for him to know that yes, even if the application may be public, anybody can apply. But what about the validation? Have you been verified to go there, to have the permit entrance ID, to permission ID or something like that, to approve that your application? Because what CS shared could be computer generated response. Once you applied, it will pump up, and for her to share it simply means that she's in for that. So that's what I want to react. A quick reaction for that matter, and tell me what you think about it. Do you think that Ogenkere don't bother to be in Trump's inauguration? Because we know that he loves this kind of thing. Notice me event. He don't joke with it. Somebody who have been taking photo like what is called Elias. Oh yeah, meet and greet. Oh yeah, meet and greet is just like, okay, can we meet in so place? Yes, okay. Senator will be there, so let us have have a chat. He's the one that I told you about, that I spoke to last night, and he told me that he's gonna be available so place. So I told him that there's something somebody that I want to bring to him to see. So let us go so you know him, okay? Not that they have an official discussion or anything. Do you understand? And he has been doing that for how long now? And he's receiving a lot of money for that. Anyway, I'm not here to castigate his work. I just want to remind you of what Arinze said and the response of some Ogenkere group. Because they have answered to everything. That's one of the things that you need to know about these people. They have answered to everything, just like US have answered to everything. Even they have answer to PM court case, like the video that we shared yesterday. The man was yapping, claiming that he knows. In fact, he's the one that is the judge, and the police and the Finland government and everything is in his hands. Ashocha, tell me what you think about it. Are you happy? Do you agree that did he just slip out from his finger, that he's unable to apply or anything at all? What is going on in your mind? Because to me, I believe it's either he's yet to apply or he have applied and he was being rejected. Because he don't joke, and his team don't joke with this kind of thing. People who celebrated that the lobby said that they're supporting him, and they nearly throw public holiday in their midst. Anyway, my people, God bless you and see you again.